Welcome back. Today we're going to take a walk through a 2005 Baja 25 Outlaw SST package. This is a pretty special one. Rare option of the Mercury Racing 500 EFI engine. It's got an XR drive, hydraulic steering. Very clean boat. Sits on a tandem axle custom trailer. Upgraded wheels, matching spare. Beautiful in-gel graphics. Got a snap-on cockpit cover, stainless rubrail, pop-up cleats, center bow rail, 2 deck hatches. Got polished fenders on the trailer as well as matching graphics. Custom matched blower vents on the side. Very well maintained. Got a color matched aluminum tube swim platform at the back. No flaws. Got a drop down swim ladder, stainless ski tow eye, drive shower, dual ram trim tabs, through hull exhaust, and a 4-blade stainless prop. Got a custom sunpad by XT Innovations. You see the finish on the top of the swim platform is excellent. Beautiful custom stitching on the sunpad. Loaded JL audio and kicker sound system. Lots of custom speaker locations. Looks awesome. Got drop-down bolster seats, custom cockpit carpet, rear bench seat, stainless cup holders. Got a tilt steering helm. Got custom dash panels as well as a passenger glove box door. Clarion Bluetooth sound system. Low profile windscreen. Matching deck graphics. Gel coat is clean, bright. Sliding cabin door. Step down into the cuddy. Got salon seating. A V-berth sleeper. You do have removable hatch screens. Kicker amps. Some more amps. We've got 4 kicker subwoofers under the back seat. Bolsters are very clean. Custom headrest, pretty cool. Under the back seat, you've got a plug-in battery charger as well as your battery switch. You've got some jumper terminals. Move back to the helm. We've got a push-button power engine hatch. Now we've got the 500 EFI. Very clean. Engine scan 543 hours. Lots of fresh services. Boat has had top-end valvetrain service performed. We've got 4 batteries. Storage spot for some fenders in the engine room. We also have switchable exhaust. Great setup. It's a very well-loved boat. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 847-458-6488. Check out our full inventory, updated daily at grandsportscenter.com. Like this video, share, subscribe, and as always, we thank you for watching.